Another beautiful morning with my daughter.
Aww.
It's been so much fun just spending time with her outdoors in this beautiful area.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Antioch Park in Merriam, Kansas, just on the edge of Overland Park. This is the oldest park in the Johnson County Parks and Recreation District. It opened in 1958 and it's 44 acres with plenty of nature, 3 miles of paved hiking trails, basketball courts, tennis courts, playgrounds, and 2 lakes. I'm excited to explore, so let's go. Look at this cute little bridge. And there's another cute little walking path over here too. Look at this. That's really cool. This is a really nice, pretty park. There's lots of open space to play and hang out. Lots of benches and picnic tables. There's a couple of playgrounds here, and this one is really cool. It's like an old west town with old looking buildings like a bank and a Pony Express and stuff. There's a bunch of kids playing. It looks really cool. Okay, we had a little picnic and now we've come over to the other half of the park. There's another little lake and yeah, just really pretty. Lots of nice paved, easily accessible walking trails. There's a little rose garden here too, but it's not really blooming because obviously it's the end of summer and it's super hot and everything is kind of dying, but there are some roses still.
Hi, we're here at the Antioch Park. It is beautiful. I love it. There's a lot of shade, picnic areas, you can barbecue. You can have family get-togethers, and it's very kid-friendly.
Yes.
There are several playground areas with different size playgrounds to play on for the different ages. It's adorable. It's just adorable.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And it's free, lots of parking.
Yeah.
Definitely suggest it.
Yes. Another beautiful morning with my daughter.
Aww.
It's been so much fun just spending time with her outdoors in this beautiful area.
Aww. I didn't even tell her to say that. I love all the landscaping in this park. It's so pretty with all these like native plants and flowers. Okay, final thoughts on Antioch Park. I definitely suggest checking it out, especially if you have kids. There were a lot of parents hanging out with their little kids today and it looked like they were all having a lot of fun, and a lot of dog walkers. The trails are really flat, paved, and easy. There's a couple of nice restrooms, lots of water fountains throughout the park to drink at, and like I said, it's just really gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video as well. It really helps my channel out. I have seen a lot of growth with more subscribers recently, and I just want to thank you for joining me, and have a great day. See you next time. Hey, welcome. Yeah. Hey, welcome back to the I don't know what to do with my hands. Okay, GoPro, start recording. Oh wait. Okay, that was a